skeleton of the application. Okay, so what is a website? Okay, what is HTML? So let's say I want to create a website, so we need a basic thing called a HTML. So what is the HTML? HTML stand for the hypertext markup language. Okay, so this is a website, and you have something called a, this is a one header, and you have a one footer. Okay, so here you have something called a home, and here it is about us, something career, contact us, like that. Okay, so this is the footer, this is the header. Okay, how it looks now? It looks very basic. So now what we are going to do, we are going to be apply this. Okay, CSS. What I told, the first part is a HTML. So that is a creating a skeleton of the application. So this is the skeleton. It looks very basic. Let's say I will add a something called a home, about us, and something career, and contact, one more tab, notification, something like that. Okay, so this is the skeleton we have created with the HTML. Then we are going to be go for the CSS. What is the CSS? CSS is a cascading style sheet. Okay, we are going to apply the color here. Why we need a colors and all everything? So it looks good. Let's say I will apply a one color. So how it looks? It looks very it's look good, right? So I will add only color for this one. I will add a color for this one. Okay, so how it looks now? Once I added a color, means it will looks a little bit different. Okay, so that is, this is the pictorial representation. So I want to do with the coding. Okay, so what is the coding tool? So as I told, for to write a letter, what we have, Microsoft Word is there. So if you just, everybody know Microsoft Word is a one thing, you are going to be write a your programs. Same thing. So we have our tool called a Visual Studio Code. What is a Visual Studio Code? As I told, Visual Studio Code is a one tool. So that is used to write a code. Okay. So how to download? Yesterday I told. So if you just go for the Visual Studio Code download, you will get a link here. You just click here. Can, 1 minute. You can download from here. Okay. If you click here, automatically it will be downloading, will be, it is there. See here, it is going to be download. Once it is downloaded, this is a .exe file. Just click next. So then it is going to be installed the your Visual Studio Code. Okay, so I already installed and downloaded, so just a demonstration purpose I have shown here. Okay, this is a clear. So once you install, just go here, Visual Studio Code is there. So here what you have to do, right click, pin to taskbar. Okay, pin to taskbar means then it will come here. Okay, so I already done this one, so here it is there. So how to open? So yesterday we have created a one folder. What is a folder? The this one in the inside a D drive, which my training batches, and Fab 2024. So HTML is, I have created a folder. So you just click here, type CMD and hit enter button. So automatically command prompt will open. Okay, then CODE space dot, hit enter. Okay, so then automatically your Visual Studio will be open. Okay, okay, so here it is, already it is open is there. So now I want to create a one HTML file. Okay, so what is the content we are going to see here? So this is the HTML content. Okay, So okay, you might say that if you search for somewhere here, you'll get a if you just type a HTML, you will get so many websites. W3 School is there, Wikipedia is there, MDN is there, so many Geeks for Geeks is there. What is the difference between this website and our website is in sense we have made a content in a such a way that so if you learn this much means then you can clear the interview say okay, you no need to learn any complete reference or deep thing. So why? Because we are doing the corporate training and the academic training. We know what content need to be given. Our every 3 months or 4 months our content is changing here. Okay, so that is the main content we have. See, this content is from the internet only. The where is the main resource is the Mozilla HTML. So this is the, if you want to refer for deeper way, so this is the Mozilla HTML, Mozilla CSS, Mozilla JavaScript. So everything is there. So here we will take the content because we are not invented HTML, right? So we are going to refer the website. Okay, first we'll understand what is an HTML. So as the sentence wise, what is HTML? So HTML stands for the hypertext markup language. So this is the long form of HTML is a hypertext markup language. And HTML is a standard markup for creating a web pages. Why we need HTML? To create a web pages. So this is also one web page only. Okay, so then markup language is for creating a web pages, and HTML describes the structure of the web pages. See here, structure is describing, right? This is the header, this is the footer, this is the body, and this is the individual tabs. So this is called a structure of the website. Okay, first we'll create a one HTML file. Okay, so I will do okay, so it is already yesterday we have seen. I will create a one more file called index2.html. Okay, hit enter. The first one is what a doc type. Okay, so with doc type means it is a HTML file. Okay, so present version is a HTML5, the last version is a HTML4. Then HTML. See here, you see here, every tag is having a start tag and end tag. That is the HTML, what is called a specification. So HTML, then we have a head. See, the head will come. Then less than a title. Okay. So then we have after head, start and end tag, we are going to write a body tag. Okay, so this is the a body tag. So whatever the visible part is there, no, in the browser, in the browser, whatever the visible part is there, no, that is built with an inside a body tag. See here, body, start tag and end tag. So I will write a one called a H2, something called a, what is this one? Uh, the rock star, uh, the Virat Kohli. Okay, so this is my header, and if I want to build a, okay, just Wikipedia page. Okay, so Virat Wiki. Okay, if I just click here, it is coming like this. Okay, so here what happens? So I will take this name Virat Kohli or as this. Okay, copy. This is the in the header the Virat Kohli. So how the website? So this is website also built with HTML only. If you want to see here, right click, inspect. See here, doc type is HTML is right. Same thing. This website also doc type HTML. If you want to see any website, Netflix, Hotstar, Swiggy, Zomato, PayPal, Paytm, any website if you want to see, YouTube, every application, even Google also. If you just see Google, If you do Control Shift I, or else right click, do inspect, everything is same. So if you just go for the element, see here, doc type is what? HTML. HTML header is there, body is there. If I just do delete this one body, what happens? Hide, I will hide it. See, nothing is visible, right? So if I reload means it will show again. See, this is the body is there. I will just right click and delete. So it is not visible. It means whatever thing it is visible inside a browser, so that is called a inside a body tag. Okay. So this is how it will works. The next I will close this one and reload this one. Okay, so it will not affect to the your Google application. Whatever you delete or in the console, it will affect to the only that browser. Okay, okay. So now that is a Virat Kohli. This is the header. Then I need a some text. I will copy this one. So how to show this text? This text we are going with the paragraph. You don't need to worry about what is the H2, what is the paragraph. We are going to be go with the detail wise. So just hit enter, enter. Okay, save it. If I just go here and this is my index2.html, I will double click on this one. Automatically, this is the Virat Kohli and this is the, so this is called a one web page. Okay, index2.html, it is a one web page. And here, this is a Wikipedia Virat Kohli. This is also one web page. Okay, so then I need to add an image as well. So how to add image? So right click, inspect. See, I want to take a, see, if you just mouse over, you just select this one. Control, Control C, or else right click, copy. Then I want to add an image here. How to add an image? So after, okay, here I need an image and a name and description. So I will add a image tag here. Image source, Control V, save it. I will go here, reload here. Okay, so it is not loading. So what is the mistake? Source, everything looks correct. Okay, cancel. Okay, I want to open this image. Means how to do? You just go here, right click, save a image as. Where to save? Where is our HTML code? The HTML code is here, the D folder, and training batches fab inside HTML. So I will make a short name. How to? Virat. The file name will be JPEG. Save it. We'll close this one. Then I will go here. I will remove this one. See, here it is there, virat.png. Okay, so this is the virat.png is there. So what I will do, just put a forward slash. If you just scroll down and select this one, save it, and you just go to the your application and reload it. So, so here what happens? So it is not showing. What is a mistake? Okay, so just we will see. Image shows this one is there. I will go here. I will open one more time. Double click again here. It has to be open. So if it is not opening means we need to find out what is the error. So here Control Shift I, or else, okay, what is this one? Fail to load a resource, error not found, virat.png. It is what is telling that it is failed to load. Okay, why? So what I will do, I will just make a one more folder here, images. Then I will make a move here in the folder. So just I will remove this one. Okay, images forward slash without, save it, and we'll open here. See, okay. So this is a, you say this is a one Wikipedia page. Okay, this is a one Wikipedia page. Okay, Wikipedia is. So where is the Wikipedia page? The Wikipedia page is somewhere. Virat Wikipedia. So this is a, oh, Virat, right? So Wikipedia page. So here it is going to be displayed. So this is a normal one, my own Wikipedia. This is also web application, web application. This is also a website. Okay. So then this is called a simple website. Okay. So now what happens? I will apply, I want to apply what we can say height and width. I want a little bit width and height. So how to do this one? So just I am going here, width 600 pixel and height equals to 400 pixel. Save it. We'll go here, uh, reload it. See here. Okay. So this is how this is called a one, what we can say, the website. So as like a Wikipedia website, we have a this website. This is also my Wikipedia. Okay. So as I didn't done a design or something like that, so this is normal my Wikipedia page. So sir, I want to apply some color means how. So just I will go here, a style, uh, background color. So I will add a something called a light blue. Save it. We'll go to the browser and control R. Control R, you can just reload. Okay, so like that, we are going to be do application like this. Okay, so this is a normal one application. Then we are going to learn about the individual, uh, all the topics. The first is what? HTML is a, HTML stands for the hypertext markup language, and HTML is a standard markup language for creating a web pages, and HTML describes the structure of the web page. What is the structure? This is the image is left aligned and text is here it is, and this is a paragraph is there. Okay, so this is a one structure. Okay, then we are going to be, it will describe the structure. See, if you see here, this is a doc type. We will understand the overall file of this application. What is the doc type? What is the HTML? What is the head? What is the body and everything? See, the doc type HTML defines the this document is a HTML5 document. So then the HTML element is a root element of the HTML tag. So if you see here, this is the HTML is a root element of your tag, start and end tag. The next is what? The head. The head element contains the meta information about a HTML page. What is the meta information? So there's the head, title, and head start and head end. So what is the meta information? You will later you will see. So just it is the title. What is the title? So just I will call a welcome to HTML session. Save it. If I just go here, see here, the here it is the index2.html is there. If I reload means see here, the welcome to HTML session will come. So this is called a title. The next is what? H2 Virat Kohli. This is the okay. This is the title. The next is what? Here it is a title. The title element specify the title of the HTML page. So what is the title? The title is a welcome to HTML session. If you open a Google page, see here it is a Google is the title. If you want to see the edit the title, right click. Uh, where is that one? Document dot title equals to IMB stream IO technologies. Hit enter. See here it is changed to the Google page title. I have changed, but it will not affect to the Google page, but it will applicable only for this page. If I reload means again it will fetch from the server and it will show. Okay, so this is called a title. The next is what body. The body element defines the document's body and it contains the all the visible content such as a heading, a paragraph, image, hyperlinks, tables, list, etc. And the H1 is the element defines the larger heading and P element defines the paragraph. So we are going to be discussed one by one. So this is the normal structure of a HTML. So this is the, it will define the HTML5. Okay, this is the HTML5 and this is the HTML start and end tag. This is the root tag. In the header, we are going to be give the title and meta information inside a body. So all the visible content in the browser we have mentioning here. Okay, the next what we are going to do here, we are going for the next title. Okay, this much is enough. Okay, the next is what, editors. Why we need the editors? So this is called a Visual Studio is also one editor. Then why we need an editor? So if someone is asked like that, take a print of a one paper, means where you will go? You will just go here Microsoft Word, then you're opening and you are adding the some content. Same thing if you want to write a program. So here it is a Visual Studio Code is there. So that is already we have told. So this is the official. If you want to download this, you just copy paste this URL and download, and already I told so just how to download and install the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so this is how it is going to be created. So this is already I have told. Directly I will go for the basic. Okay, so next is what, see, coding is nothing but it is a different thing. It is related to your daily life only. Okay, so just I will give you an example. In the school days and all, so in the school days they will tell like that. Okay, write a one paragraph of, okay, write a one paragraph of what we can say, uh, this one, uh, essay or something like that, environment. Okay, so this is the environment. So this is called a environment is a one header, and you have a something paragraph. If you just type a environment, then you will give the some content. Okay, and you are going to add a, I will copy Control C and I will add a Control B. Yeah, it contains the, okay, it contains some what you can say, more data. So you just this is the one paragraph, just assume. Okay, this is the a para. Okay, so this is the header and this is the paragraph. Okay, so if you just break into lines and okay, so what we can say, this is the one header and one paragraph. So you are going to write a sub block letter for environment. This is the paragraph is a short form. Same thing, HTML is also having their own headers. All HTML documents must start with the doc type. Sorry, this one, HTML basics. Okay, that is a doc type and HTML start and end tag, body and then start. Okay, the next is what, the HTML headings. We have a six type of headers. One is a H1, H2, H3. So just I will do, I will just run it and I will show you. I will copy this one. I will just go here. Instead of this one, I will create a one more page. Here I will click here, new file. What is the next file? Index3.html. Enter. So here it is a doc type, and HTML, and header. See this header, if you add also it will run, all as optional. Okay, so then body, then I will paste here. Okay, save it. Then how to run? So every time I am going here and I am running here, but I don't want to do here. I want to run here only. How to do this one? Here you will see the one section called a extension. I will This is an extension. So I will run here. Right click, open with a live server. So if I click means automatically it is going to be open with the here. So I'm not going here manually clicking here, but I am going here, right click, open with the live server. So automatically it is running with the this server. So how it is happening? So that is happening because of in the extension section. So if you just search for the live, you will get a live server extension. If you just click here, the author is a Ritvik Day. So already I have installed. That is why it is showing the uninstall. If you once you install this package, so you no need to go for manually and or run this program here. Okay. So just you are going here for your Visual Studio Code and right click, open with the live server. Okay. So so here it is it is using, this is the big letter, little bit smaller than heading 2, smaller than heading 3, smaller than heading 4, smaller than heading 6. Okay, so what does it mean? H1 means the bigger in the text, H2 is a less than H1, H3 is a less bigger than H2, H4 is a less bigger than H3, H5 is a less bigger than H4. So what we got to know, if you want a this much thickness, just go with the H2. If you want a little bit thickness, then you can go with the this H4. Okay. I want a this H1 tag. So then I will remove this one. I will use this one. So sorry, H1. So this is called a the environment. Save it. We'll go here. See, this is the header. Okay, so as I told here in the picture, so this is the paragraph header. Okay, or else essay header. The next is what? Header means HTML heading means HTML headings are defined with the H1 to H6. H1 defines the most important heading. H6 defines the least important heading. Okay, so now next what happens? So this is a heading. Which thickness you want? If you want a more thickness, go with the H1. If you want a less thickness, go with the H6. This is the clear. The next is what? A paragraph. What is a paragraph? So as you know, this is a write a note on essay or a para you are telling. No, same thing. We have written a paragraph here. So this is the paragraph you might see here. Okay. So that is the this is the paragraph we have seen here. Okay. Okay, so this is the paragraph we have seen here. So this paragraph I want to represent. How to represent? So this is the HTML paragraph are defined with the tag called the p tag. Okay, see here how to do this one. So just I will go here, I will add a less than p greater than, automatically end tag will come. See, every tag is having a start and end tag. P started, p ended, h1 started, h1 ended. So then I will add a text here. Where is the text? So here it is a, this is the text, control c, copy. We will go to the my code, I will add here. Save it, right click, open with the live server. See, this is the header and this is the paragraph. Same thing. Your lecturer or someone told like write a essay on environment. In the you are going to be write a one paper. Environment is a block letter and this is a small letter. Same thing here. It is the environment is a block letter. This is the what we can say small letter paragraph. So you can write a number of para here. If you just copy, Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, say, Control S. If you just go here, see, you can add a number of para here. Okay, so this is called a paragraph. Okay, the next is what? Links. HTML links. The HTML links are defined with the anchor tag. Okay, first we'll write and we'll execute. Okay, so I will just go here, same what you can say, same page, environment day is there. Okay, if I click here, it is going for a where Wikipedia page, World Environmental Day. Okay, what is this one? If I just click here, so this is the environment is a header. This is a text I have taken. If I click here, then if I click here on Wikipedia, it is redirecting to the Wikipedia page. Same thing we are going to be achieve here. I will go here. I will just add a one tag called how to add anchor tag. Here it is a the tag is here. So a tag and href is there and a end tag. So same thing I will achieve here. A tag. Okay, a start and end tag. So then what is the name? Wikipedia. Okay. So this is a just called a Wikipedia. I will just control S or else right click. Uh, okay. So file save. So every time whatever if you just move one cursor also it will be you have to save it. File save it. Okay, so just what I will do, I will go to the my browser. Where is here it is? So here it is a Wikipedia is there, but here how it will looks, it will looks in a different color, little bit of a hyperlink and all everything. Okay, so how to do this one? So just I will close this one. Okay, okay, let it be here. So here it is a Wikipedia is there, and here it is a it has to be show some color or hyperlink something like that. So for that you need to go here, you need to add a one attribute href. So what is the URL? If I just click here, so this is the URL I need to add. I will just control C or copy. I will just go here in the href. I will add this URL. Save it. Clear? Okay. So now if I go to the my browser here, see here. Now it is changed here. If I reload means it will change here. If I just click here, so where it will open? So this is opening here. So what is the what you can say, what is the sorry, anchor tag? The anchor tag is the one thing, that is the link tag. HTML links are defined with the anchor tag. Whatever the source you are going to be give, so that will be opened here. How? So I will give one more website name, something called IRTC. IRTC. Okay, so this is the IRCT railway reservation website. So I want to redirect here. Control X, and I will go here. Control V, IRTC. Okay, if I just go here, see here. Here we can see here. This is a text, and here this is the IRTC is there. If I just click on that IRCT, it is redirecting to the IRTC website. Okay, so this is called a anchor tag. What is the anchor tag? So anchor tag is a tag, so which will be redirect to the source of your web page. Okay, so if you want to redirect to the Google, so just change Google. You just change the www.google.com. Okay, save it. We'll go here. We'll close everything. I will go here, right click, open with the live server. So it will open in the this page. If I just click on this one, it is opening to the Google page. So what is the mistake we have done? So we HTTPS. Okay, just I will go here, google.com. So sorry, Control X. I will just change here this URL. Save it. Right click, open with the live server. What is the mistake? Yeah. Anchor. Okay. I need to enclose with the double quote. This is the mistake we have done. Save it. We'll go here. Reload it. If I just click here, it is redirected to the Google page. So you got to know why we need a anchor tag. So we want to redirect from one page to the another page, or one place to the another place. So then we need the anchor tag. Okay, so that is the HTML links uh, are the links are called a anchor tag. So that is a that anchor tag is having a start and end tag. So this is the text is optional, or else you can define anything XYZ also it will take. And this is the website URL. Okay, whatever the website you are going to be give. So this is called an anchor tag. The next will be what HTML images. So images we already seen. So image is a how to define images. If you just go here img and enter, so source is a your image source. So I will just add a images, and this is a virat.png is there. Alternative text is optional. Save it. We'll go here. Sorry, here it is. Right click, open it the live server. See here, here it is the image it is going to be display here. So if I just what is the tag? Img is the tag. So I want to make an image at the top. So just Control X, then add here above the H1 header. Control V, save it. Then it will display at the top. Okay, so this is called a image tag. What we have discussed, the HTML documents. So this is the doc type. HTML is a root element, and body, whatever the thing it is visible inside a browser, that is inside a body, and a doc type. And this is the H1 to H6 tag. Okay, the next is what HTML paragraph. Paragraph is a one thing. So that is a p tag, p tag, and a end tag. So paragraph to define the paragraph. So this is the h1 is the higher thickness, h6 is the lower thickness, and HTML links. What is the links? Links is a one thing. If you want to redirect from one page to the another page, you are going to be use the anchor tag. Okay, then images. So HTML images are the same images. So here it is the source is there. Source means what is the source of your image, whether it is a local image or server images or whatever thing. Alternate is the optional. This is the alternate is the optional, and the width and height will be you can define. If you want a more width, so just go here. If you just go width is a 700 pixel, and so height will be 300 pixel. Save it, right click, open with the live server, then see it will how it looks. Okay, so this is whatever the size you want and how it looks, so that is you are going to be defined by yourself. So that is called a HTML basics. The next is what a HTML elements. What is a HTML element? See, I will going to be explain one thing. The tag name is different, element is different. Okay, I will just go here. I will take a one more tag name called a h2 less than h2. So h2 is a tag. It will become an element So anything in between the start and end tag, then it will become an element. Now it is a H2 start and end tag. If I add a something called a Virat text, now it is a become an element. Okay. So what we got to know? So anything between the start and end tag, so then it will become a element. If nothing is there, then it is a tag. H2 is a tag. So if I add a something here, now it becomes a element. Okay. So that is the simple funda. So tag name, the content goes here and the tag end name. So tag name, what is the tag name? H2, and contents goes here and the content tag end here. So H1 and a paragraph and a nested element. The HTML elements can be nested. Nested means I have a paragraph, then I need a one more element. So how to do this one? So let's say I want to make this one bold. Okay. So I will just Control C or else Control X. I will add a B means bold. Less than B. I will add here. Save it. If you just go to the browser, see here, the government entities is a bold letter because I have enclosed with the B started end tag. So that is called a what is called a the nesting of elements. Okay, so this is called a see here it is a paragraph and here it is a BR tag or else bold tag. BR means it will break the line. BR means what? Break the line. Okay. The next is a this is a empty the HTML elements. So we can have a HTML element also. Sorry, nested element also. HTML is a not a case sensitive. It means you mentioned a small letter and if you mention the capital letter, so it will treat, okay, your mistake, it will treat properly. So it doesn't mean like that, okay, you have mentioned a capital letter and if it's a small letter, it will not run, not like that. So it will treat it as a only P, whether it is a small or caps, it is not having a, any case sensitive scenario. The next is what HTML. See, HTML element is nothing but anything in between the start and end tag that will become a element. That's it. Okay, next is the attribute. So attribute is a one thing. This is also similar thing. The HTML attributes provides the additional information about the HTML element. Okay, so then HTML attributes are all HTML elements can have a attributes. What is telling? All your HTML element having a HTML attributes. Attributes provides the additional information about the element. Attributes having a specified in the start tag and HTML usually comes with a name value like that. See, as he told, all HTML elements can have an attribute. See, anchor is an element. What is attribute? Href is an attribute. Attributes provides the additional information about the element. For this anchor tag element, it is telling that okay, this is the URL to reach it. So this is the additional information. The next is what HTML attributes always specified in the start tag. See, this is the start tag, right? So this is the HTML element always specified in the start tag. And attributes usually comes with the name pair value. So this is the name and this is the value. Same thing for image. Image is a source is an attribute. So it is a in the start tag only. Okay, this is called a attributes. So headings means what? Again, we already discussed H1 to H6 heading and paragraph means what? So this is the P start tag paragraph. So in the paragraph, there are some of the thing we are going to be discussed here. Okay. So another 5 minutes, we are going to be stop this session. Okay. What is the paragraph? So if you just go here, I will take a one more page. So what is the page? Index 4.html. Enter. So again how to do, so that is the exclamatory doc type, then HTML start and end tag and a body start and end tag. So if you mention the header tag as well, so then here what I will do here, The paragraph we know, so this is already we know. So how to do paragraph? So this is a simple paragraph. Save it, right click, open with the live server, then it is a simple paragraph. We already know this one. The next is what? How to display. You okay. So you can define a n number of ways to define a paragraph. Either you can make a full paragraph, or else you make a little bit box size or anything. The next one more thing is there, that is the HR. HR means the horizontal line. I will just add a what is the HR tag means. So just it will draw the one horizontal line. That's it. If you just go here, sorry, we'll close this one, and we'll close this one too. See, this is a horizontal line is there. If I want to mention a one more paragraph, you can just add a paragraph. This is a second paragraph. Save it. We'll go here. See, this is the HR tag. Means what? It is like a something you draw a line. That's it. This is the paragraph horizontal line. This is the paragraph second one. Okay. So this is called the horizontal rules. The next is what? BR tag. So what I will do? So instead of adding a second paragraph, I can add a dummy text also. So I don't want to type or copy dummy text. So there is the one keyword is the LO. So LORM is a loy param is a dummy text. It will give the dummy text. You just type a LOE. Okay. So save it. We'll go here. So here it is there. So I want to break this line. So how to do this one? I want to add a BR tag here. Save it. See, it is break here. So again, I want to break here. See, got it. So how it is breaking the line. So BR tag is for the breaking the line. So this is the paragraph we know and a BR tag. So if you how to add a dummy text. So as I told, you just remove here, just type a LO. See, automatically it will come LORIM. This is called a loy param dummy text. If I click means here also it will come. Save it. See, I have used a BR tag here, then it is breaking. But yeah, I'm not using a BR tag, it is going to display in a one whole line. Okay, so this is called a what we can say a BR tag. The next is what a pre tag. What is a pre tag? I will write here. Okay, I will copy this. I will take a one more horizontal line here. So how to add a HR tag is horizontal line. Then I will add a H2, sorry, H3, the P and the pre tag difference. Save it. I will go here. First, I will define a P tag. How to add a dummy text? LO. If you after that, just click on this. This is the paragraph. If you just go here and it is running like this. So this is the paragraph we know. Then what is the pre tag? So pre tag I will show here. What is the pre tag? Less than PRE and close this tag. Then I will say add a LOE loy parent. I will click here, save it. We'll go here. So there is a slight difference in a text, okay, but there is no much difference. So I want to show some difference here. I will make a some gap here, and I will make a some gap here. Okay. So where it is inside a pre tag. Save it. We'll go here. See how the gap is made here. Okay, I will do to the paragraph as well. I will make a some gap here and I will make a some gap here also. So this is the paragraph tag. Here it is a P started and P ended, and this is the pre tag where pre started and pre ended. Okay. So just see the output. See, it will display as it is, but pre tag it is display as you defined here. It means paragraph pre-tag it is going to be displayed as it is you displayed here. If I make a some gap here, so that gap will be displayed here. So in the paragraph, if you make a some gap also, it will be treated as a no gap and it will display accordingly. Got it? So this is called a paragraph. Right? What is called a pre-tag. So pre-tag is the start one and this is the end tag. Okay. So this is this is the pre-tag. What is the difference means? So if you how the content you displayed here, it will display accordingly, but it will display as a common thing. So what is the common to display the para? That's it. Here it will display the paragraph. Okay. So this is called a difference of p tag and a pre-tag. Okay. So today we are going to be